Leonard Rubin, a folding bike innovator, hosted a few people passionate about bike technology at his Crazy Inventor garage place in the Sellwood neighborhood. After a few decades of pushing folding bike technology to its limits, Leonard had some interesting stories to tell.
I transformed Bromptons into super light bikes with really good extended gearing, derailleur-based gearing, better body positioning, and just all around more useful. Because I developed my own folding bikes years and years ago. I predate Brompton by a decade. This is one of my designs. It folds in a second and it weighs 15 pounds in steel. I mothballed that when I saw the work of this crazy British inventor before it was actually available. I read in a design journal that he was, experimenting with folding a bike in thirds instead of in half. And I said, ooh, that's intriguing. And that turned out to be Andrew Ritchie in the Brompton. And so I started corresponding with him before he actually had a full-fledged commercial bike out there. And we became friends and colleagues, and I was sort of his free R&D department. They wound up using a lot of my ideas over the years. And if you look at the new T-Line bike, well, I did that about 20 years ago. And it's essentially this bike.
I came to this event because I appreciate the work Leonard's done over the years in improving the technology and promoting folding bikes. And it's fun to hang out with other people who are using folding bikes and find out what exactly they're using them for.
The Han Folder, the unique bicycle for all riders. The compact wheels lower the center of gravity so it's very maneuverable, yet safer and easier to ride. The Han's gearing lets you cover ground like large wheel bikes, with no more effort, no extra pedaling.
In the 80s, they had advertisements for how they were winning races.
The Dahans?
Yeah. They were winning races on Dahans that I built in my shop. And then when it came time to pay me, they wanted to pay me in Dahans. I swear to God. They said, well, how about if we give you 40 bikes? I don't want your bike. It's horrible. So if anybody hasn't lifted this bike up already, this is the thing I'm best known for, is ultralight Bromptons. You should check it out.
Why don't you check it out? You can check it out next to this dummy.
And that's with big fat tires on it and an adjustable stem.
Oh my, probably a big difference.
And that's 27 gears.
Wow, that means nothing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.